Want to create approval workflows in Monday.com but don't know where to start? By the end of this video, you'll be able to build streamlined approval workflows in Monday.com with ease, and I'll also show you a better alternative that might suit your needs even more. First things first, let's look at how to set up approval workflows within Monday.com. The platform is fairly intuitive, but getting the process right can be a bit tricky without the right steps. So, here's what you need to do. To create your first approval workflow, head to your Monday.com board and click on the Automation button. You'll see a wide range of automation options, and for approval workflows, you want to look for the option that says, when status changes to something, then notify someone. This will kickstart the approval process by notifying the person responsible for reviewing or approving a task. Next thing, let's talk about setting up custom statuses. You can set up custom status labels to reflect different stages in the approval process, like waiting for approval, approved, and rejected. This gives you a clear visual cue on where every task stands. The status column makes it easy to track the progress of every task that's in the approval workflow. The third thing is the power of conditional triggers. Once the first stage is marked as approved, for example, you can use automation to automatically move the task to the next stage or notify the next person in line for approval. This can significantly speed up the process and reduce manual errors. Monday.com does offer this feature, but you'll need to fine-tune it to avoid over-automation, which could lead to bottlenecks if you're not careful. Now, you may have noticed that Monday.com is very workflow-driven, which is great, but it can get clunky if you're handling multiple approval workflows simultaneously. This is especially true if you're working with larger teams or handling complex approval chains. It's easy to get lost in all the automations and status updates if you don't set up a clear structure. Next, let's consider integrations. Monday.com works well with other tools like Slack and email, so notifications will be delivered directly to your team members, making the approval process more seamless. However, the platform does have limitations when it comes to native integrations with some apps and tools. If you're looking for more flexibility with your integrations, you may run into some walls here. So, while Monday.com's approval workflows are decent for straightforward processes, there are platforms out there that might be a better fit if you're dealing with more complex needs or a larger team. One such platform is Asana. While it doesn't offer the same degree of automation as Monday.com, Asana excels in creating detailed approval workflows with better visual aids and a much cleaner interface. Plus, Asana's task dependency feature is a game changer for anyone dealing with multiple layers of approvals. Now, if you're looking for something even more specialized for approval workflows, there's one more software I recommend you check out. It's a tool designed to handle complex workflows more efficiently than Monday.com or Asana. The best part? We've got an exclusive link for you that gives you the best free trial, plus extended benefits not available anywhere else. You'll also get access to alternatives with free trials, giving you a better opportunity to try out the tools that best fit your needs. Click the link in the description for the exclusive trial offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the information useful to get started with approval workflows in Monday.com or consider some exciting alternatives.